Okay, so now, gagamitin naman natin ang Magic Wand tool to erase and clear the background. So make sure your edited image is active and make sure that your original image is inactive or hidden. So with your edited image active, just click the Magic Wand tool or click the letter W on your keyboard. And then click the area you want to delete. So what the Magic Wand does is yung kulay na may pare-pareho na tone, i-contain niya sa isang dashed line. Like, i-contain niya na ganito. Then, I'm gonna click delete. So, see, meron tayong black and white, gray, checkered, black and white. No, not black and white, but black, white, and gray checkered. That means that indicates that that area is transparent. So, I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay? So, see, na-delete na yung aking white background. That's how you use Magic Wand tool.